Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Samsung Galaxy Fold 5. So in the first step, open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose the EasyFax and install it. Now add the permissions to the camera and do the files. Now click on the plus, or before that, restart your fax application. To show again the free credits button. So remember, there is a place where you can get your free credits. Okay, now click on the plus and choose the source of your document, like something from the gallery. Now click on the import icon and add this as shape to your document. If you're ready, click on the arrow icon and now you can choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible for a receiver. If you're ready, click on the upside icon, type the number in this place, choose the country from the list, and to send the message, click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.